Welcome to AirDroid Business. In this video, we will guide you through the regular enrollment process for your devices. AirDroid Business supports regular enrollment for devices that meet the following criteria. Samsung devices with Android systems 8.0 and 8.1 due to their system limitations, devices like Android TV boxes that lack a camera or don't support USB debugging mode, and devices that don't support 6x tap and ADB command. Please note, regular enrollment does not grant device owner permissions, and some policy configurations may not be available. To start, go to Admin Console. Devices. Device Enrollment. Regular Enrollment. For Method 1. Download and install this Daemon on the devices you wish to control by clicking this button on this page. To find the deployment code or QR code, log into the Admin Console, go to Devices, then Device List, and click Enroll. You will see the deployment code and the QR code for enrolling the device. Then, open AirDroid Biz Daemon on your device. Manually insert the deployment code, or click to scan the QR code icon. For Method 2, enter the download link with the 6-digit code at the end on your device and download the Biz Daemon. It will automatically enroll your devices to the default group. If needed, you can choose Enroll to other groups on Biz Daemon to enroll the devices into the assigned group. Congratulations! You've successfully enrolled your devices. Next, please check out our other video tutorial to learn how to grant permissions for Biz Daemon and start managing your devices with AirDroid Business. So much for today. For more information on AirDroid Business, please visit our official website and have a free trial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.